Pakistan Super League PSL 2026. Match number 6. Lahore Qalandars vs Karachi Kings. Match details and both team possible playing 11. Starting date 29th March 2026. At 7 PM Pakistan Standard Time. Venue Gaddafi Cricket Stadium, Lahore. Karachi Kings possible playing 11. Number 1 David Warner. Number 2 Mohammad Wasim. Number 3 Azam Khan. Number 4 Salman Ali Agha. Number 5 Saad Beg. Number 6 Khushdil Shah. Number 7 Moin Ali. Number 8 Shahid Aziz. Number 9 Adam Jampa. Number 10 Abbas Afridi. Number 11 Hassan Ali. Lahore Qalandars possible playing 11. Number 1 Fakhar Zaman. Number 2 Mohammad Naim. Number 3 Abdullah Shafiq. Number 4 Parvez Hussain Imon. Number 5 Hasibullah Khan. Number 6 Sikandar Raja. Number 7 Daniel Shams. Number 8 Ubaid Shah. Number 9 Shahin Shah Afridi. Number 10 Haris Rauf. Number 11 Mustafizur Rahman.